papers?
No, I don't. Can you show me?
NPC has been growing and innovating for 70 years. They recognize the need to change in order to survive and stay competitive in industry. As they saw the need for newspaper diminish, they looked forward to see what the future needs of the paper industry would be in order to stay successful. They are committed to service and taking care of their employees. Okay, roll it.
What I do is I take big rolls of printed paper and I cut it and fold it and get it ready to be shipped out.
So my job here is to work with supervisors to make sure that all of our jobs are getting out on time. When we are running machines, our mail pieces get damaged, and I'm in charge of making sure that we get everything complete.
Well, one skill you have to pay attention to detail. My job requires you to check everything and make sure it's perfect. So a lot of attention to detail. We have to use a ruler, a pica is what we call it here. You have to be able to measure correctly and be able to read a scope sheet and a production summary.
Really know what drives you, what makes you tick, what you really enjoy doing. Whatever you figure out your passion is, that's how you can set yourself up for your career moving forward. If you enjoy what you do every single day, it's not a career. It's not like a job. It's like it's fun to you. You enjoy what you do. So just make whatever you want to do your passion.
Some of the nation's largest organizations and government agencies entrust NPC with their most vital print, mail, and fulfillment programs that fuel their mission and their customers' mission. Whether it's enhancing health, education, or economic outcomes, they recognize that these missions impact the lives of hundreds of millions of Americans, improving their quality of life and standard of living.
So what do you think?
I had no